Hello, guys. Good morning. Sounds like everything is fine. All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another trading session. This is basically a VIP trading session that we are usually making day in, day out here on Crypto Traders Arena. Nothing too fancy, just waking up, having a good coffee with good people, and hunting levels. That's the thing. One second. All right. Good morning, good morning. 5 a.m. Hey, Juan Pablo. Nice. That's nice. That's a good feeling. Hello, Bukur. Hello, everyone. We'll be starting slowly and we'll dive into some charts, some analysis, some low time frame potential scalps and stuff like that, the basic stuff. Give it 2 more minutes until everybody's gathering up and then we can start. I just made a coffee and we'll go into the plans that I was making last night. I will redraw everything. I'll take it from scratch and we'll go through the levels that I'm watching right now and what I'm expecting from the market happen. Yeah. We had a nice bounce yesterday. Nice bounce across the board. I mean, Bitcoin, we don't really care too much about it, or I do not care because it's basically in a wide range. And if you go on daily, you can see it's just a wide range. We already manipulated the liquidity here, so I think let's start from daily. Yeah. Um, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. I see already 41 persons here, so we can start it. Don't forget to 1 second. Let me share it, guys. I really appreciate if you just manage to go here on where it is. Ah, it was here. So I really appreciate if you manage to smash the retweet or give it a comment or anything like that. Let's get more people on board. Yeah, I really appreciate it. All right, so let's take it from scratch. Basically, you want to look at a monthly. You can see a monthly FEG violation. That means we should have an expansion, but not necessarily in exactly the same week or month or stuff like that. Yeah, it might take time. So the price action, it's still strong. You can see here a very nice reaction. Weekly time frame, you can see we formed supply here, nothing too fancy. All right, and we can see already that this area is holding as a beautiful demand. Go on daily. We concluded already the FEG. we need to look at this area as of a range. Range high, range low, 0.5. Nothing too shabby, nothing too complicated. All right. Liquidity, it's already swept at the lows. What that means, my 2 cents, is that market makers, they are not interested anymore in manipulating this low anymore because it's already done. Or what they can do, it's actually potentially we have swing low, which created a new high, lower low, which created a new high, and that can bring me up to a 3 drives if that happens. So we have the first one, we have the second one, and we can have the third one. If that happens, it's insanely bullish. So keep that in mind. You want to long that one. Yeah. Here. Presumably, whenever you see that market is trying to do a breakout, you always have to think that it's actually a fake out and it will reclaim back inside the range. It's way more profitable thinking range than thinking that the price will break down or break out. And if you're backtesting it, you will observe that uh, breakouts are actually around 20% to 15% of the price action, while range is what usually happens on the price action. So you want to think range here. Um, Same stuff I'm thinking around here. If we are trying a breakout, I have a target of around 114 around here. This is where I'm looking for a short area. One, 145, something like that. And I mean, definitely that's a higher time frame. That's daily time frame, and I'll just zoom in and see what I can get on that area. Here, I'll definitely be looking. Let's put some alarms. Now, let's zoom in. So we have swing low, swing high, lower low. Let's put a fib here. And then we have a swing high, the main swing pivot high there. I'm just interested in 61.8. And let's put it a little bit more, lower the opacity. All right. Good. Let's go 1 hour now, or 4 hours. We have a FEG here, which is also the pivot low, which created an intermediate new high, which was the swing failure here. So this pivot low is quite important for the price action. And it's inside an FEG. There is a pretty high probability that we will bounce off of this one here at the New York session. I'll definitely take a look at Ethereum, Matteo too. But right now we are on Bitcoin. Yeah, and let's wait a little bit. All right. All right. We already closed the daily candle. So let's put again 0.5 here because I'm interested where. Yeah, there we go. All right. Let's go back on 1 hour. Yeah, pretty good area of confluence. So, I saw some people mentioning that we have a bullish market structure shift. Well, just my 2 cents. I'm not taking this structure in consideration when I'm looking for higher highs and higher lows. Because if I take the pivot low, swing high, swing low, we just have a low, a high, a lower low, and technically speaking, this is just a lower high. Yeah. So no, there is no bullish market structure shift here to take in consideration on 1 hour to 4 hour time frame. All right. I can even see the price hovering in 104 around here at a big 61.8, something like that. Around here. Yeah. And I really like the fact that 0.5 has reacted pretty nicely in the past. So let's keep it here. That would be a good area for a short around here. All right. Well, would you ask me, well, do you get long here? Not necessarily. My main plan is to get in a long. I'm going to show you. At a swing failure pivot of this low here, and we have the sweet spot 705. So I would be looking for a swing failure of this low here to trigger some longs. Right now, I'm not interested. Only if I see a potential LJ here, something like this. When I see the price on 3 minutes, maybe I would zoom in and find some potential setups. Yeah. So here is the first area to hunt. And then let's go 5 minutes. Yeah, I forgot about that one. Last night, I mentioned on VIP that this is the first area to be looking for a short. And man, I'm really proud of the quality of people that we managed together because I saw some people taking really, really nice shorts exactly as per the plan that I posted there. And now I saw people with short setups like this, exactly from the plan that I posted. So well done, really proud of that. And you are already in good profits, and I'm happy with that. It was, I don't know, 4 a.m. for me, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. It was too late to take that one. So a bit too late for me to do anything. For me to trigger a long around this area, I would like to see a deep pullback and then something like this. I mean, I want to see a deep wick to the downside, and I want to see demand. I want to see that candle being eaten by demand by spot orders. I want to see some spot buy leading around here, and then I would trigger a long because we can. We technically we should be looking for an internal liquidity range here. Yeah. And you have the 0.5 in this area with take profit potentially around here. Scalp, yeah. So I would be looking at something like this. Maybe we reclaim, I see some FEGs, and I would be taking something like this. But I first want to see the price dumping pretty aggressively because if I see these equal lows untapped, I'm not too interested. I'm not too interested in that. So I'll skip it. Definitely, now that we have Monday high and Monday low, we have to take those ones in consideration, especially Monday high, because we have a little fair value gap here, and we have the weekend high, the Saturday high, and I bet that a lot of people shorted the market when they saw the news and stuff like that, and they are in a pretty good position, but those people will be taken out most likely. So a swing failure of 102.8 here at the Saturday Saturday high into Monday high. That would be a good trigger for a short, and definitely a swing failure of Monday low. Let's get back to our horses. Well, I don't want to over clutter it with too much stuff. So definitely I would short here. Long scalp here and here. Pretty easy. All right, I can see already price pumping a little bit, but I don't trust this one. I don't trust it. I don't trust this W. It didn't swept any liquidity. It left. Let me check if we have spot buying or anything like that. Let's go 5 minutes. Well, that spot is buying, but I mean, exactly as I mentioned. You can see here, 97, 97, this area. Exactly what I mentioned, that I want a big wick here to the downside. Reclaim my area, and then to see this. This I would long, but not here. This is just a trap. All right. Oh, let's put an alarm around there. And especially if we pump around here, around the 10, 101, or even a swing failure of the high, it's even better for the short because we have a precise draw of liquidity. So we have a very good take profit area here. If the market is leaving them like this as equal lows, that would be very, very good. Damn, 71 people. Guys, appreciate it. Smash that like button. Let's see if we can get it to 50 likes in less than 5 seconds. But I appreciate it. Lots of people watching. Smash that like, guys. Um, 94 to 95. Yeah, we'll get it, Albert. There is a high probability that we'll get 94 to 95. Go 50 minutes here. I'm looking at this intermediate area for for a deep pullback, and then this is what I'm looking for here for a little scalp. Then maybe at the New York we manipulate even the highs potentially, do this and this. Or not necessarily today, we can see a Thursday reversal. So yeah, but I mean you got the idea. Here you short, here you scalp long, here you scalp long. Pretty easy stuff. All right, I think we cleared out Bitcoin. We cleared out Bitcoin. The plans are made. We have everything that we could speak of, and now we can go for Ethereum. Let's go, same stuff, deleting everything, going on a weekly time frame. Well, weekly time frame. I mean, I don't care about the fact that when we started dumping around here on X, I saw all the panic from the world, and I publicly said, "Man, I'm longing the crap out of the market," and I had lots of feels because if you are here on this community, you will know about the fact that we discuss about these levels for a long period of time as a big buying opportunity. I don't see a reason to panic. I don't see a reason to call for the bear market and crap like that. I mean, we are not public and we do not care about emotions. I do not care about emotions when I'm trading. I care only about plans and about clear, specific setups. Everything else, it's just noise, it's useless, and I don't see why you would panic here. I don't see why. You tell me, why would you panic here? I don't know. It's just a logical swing failure of the pivot low here, which swing failure the high at its turn, and you can see actually the main pivot low, which created a new high, it was not invalidated. And this swing low, it didn't create a new high in order to speak about some potential bearish market structure shift. And we cannot speak about it because it was just a swing failure. Look at the damn candle, daily candle close. So I don't know, it's just useless noise that people are making, and you get the idea. So nice daily candle close. I don't expect this to go straight up from here. But what I expect is actually maybe a retest of 0.5 around here. Same stuff like on Bitcoin. We have to have that 0.5 level um, in our chart. Definitely want your daily Monday high. You want your Monday low. Easy stuff. And also, now it came to my mind, seeing Christian speaking about week. Guys, we have NFP. Yeah, we have NFP Friday. It's logically that you want to protect capital in this kind of environment. Trust me, you don't want to trade too much on an NFP week. Yeah. we had a deep discount here on this area, and we can see that buyers stepped in pretty aggressively. That's very good. We have confirmed a nice demand on this area. Let's delete that one. And I'm not too interested in shorting Ethereum because the structure it's way uglier on it than it is on Bitcoin. And I'm pretty interested in longing here. Yeah. Why I'm not making a man? I'm stupid. There we go. All right. I can actually delete this one from below because that's already played out. So, and we can see here that price is trying to hold this intermediate trend line. It's a swing pivot low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But this is just intermediate time frame. It's not nothing too fancy. I think we can actually pull a channel on that area and see maybe 0.5 is falling. Yeah, 0.5 is falling perfectly. So we are still in this channel, but I'm not interested in longing this area. I'm not interested. Why? Because we can see here we should have had more demand here, and we don't have any demand in this area because this is the pivot low which created a new high. So technically speaking, we should have had some sort of stronger demand, which I don't see. What I see is actually a potential ABC correction into a 38.2 or 0.5 here. And it's actually the previous shoulder. Yeah. So no, I don't see a reason to get involved in a long position there. So I will patiently wait for my GAN levels here of the weeks. And I don't know, let's look at this one. Yeah, it falls between those lines. But I'll be interested in longing around here, in buying especially. Yeah. I need my coffee. Um, Too late to short here, definitely too late to short. On my plan, which I posted last night, I mentioned that we are hunting a short here, and I'm really, really happy that I saw in the morning a lot of people taking that short, and I'm really happy with that. I'm really proud of the community. Um, let's see, maybe we find more confluences. Man, it's too early in the morning. Where is that damn view app? Dude, where are you? All right. Hmm. Hmm. I don't think it will bounce necessarily from this area. It's a good S&R, but we need more structure in order to have a bounce here. We are lacking. I mean, we displaced the previous range. Guys, think in ranges, yeah? This is the pivot low of the previous range here. I mean, it will not just go to a new all-time high by the end of tomorrow. And I know I think I'm stressing sometimes too much the fact that people they don't know the majority, they don't know the difference between a scalping time frame and a high time frame. And they are pretty mm, they get lost when I'm posting trades and when I'm posting plans because I'm posting a plan on a weekly time frame or on a daily time frame, and then I'm posting a scalp on 50 minutes. I'm saying that on weekly time frame, yeah, we'll go higher, yeah, but then on 50 minutes, I say that we'll dump, and people they don't understand that difference. It's pretty crazy, and they take it as a potential contradiction, and it's pretty. You get pretty tired of uh, of that stuff. Let's drink some water. I will show you some altcoins too that I like. Doge, I think Doge it was. Yeah, Doge. Doge golden pocket. Where it is? There you go. So same stuff here on Doge. I like this pivot low here, swing failure of this one or even this one. I think it falls exactly in the 78.6 here. Yeah. So would be a nice area here or here. It depends a lot on where I see the demand forming. But here we should have the first a really good reaction here and then here. All right, let's go on the next one. Let's go on XRP. I think I saw a nice setup on XRP. Let's go daily. Yeah, nice bounce here. Oh my God, Monday high swept on the 61.8. Dude, I should quit sleeping. 2 a.m. Damn it. Man, perfect setup. Ah, whatever. And I had it here. I think I even had an alarm, but I mean, I was sleeping. Next bus. Yeah, this one, I really like this one. The pivot low, it's exactly here, 61.8. So I really, really like XRP here for a long. Man, I would have been like up at least 10 hour because I would have zoomed in on 1 minute. I mean, I'm a scalper and I really love scalping. And when I would have seen this one, a swing failure and first inverse FEG here, I would have taken something like this. Well, next bus, but it was the perfect setup here. 14 hour. Next bus, and I don't even want to look until here, 32 hour. Well, I should really quit sleeping sometimes, but I cannot give up to that. All right, back to our horses. So I really like this one around here. I think I saw it's 1 hour Solana too. Yeah, same setup on Solana. You see it here. I really like them. For real, Booker, we have to do that. Well, let's do some analysis on total tree. Let's see how our power of tree is treating us. Let's delete one. I need more. Well, we closed above, which is good. As long as we close above this line, it can take its time. And I mean, I remember when I took a link, power of tree, and that one took about 2 weeks, if I'm not wrong, to get the setup triggered. Let's go 1 hour. Yeah, I think that, I mean, look at this flat bottom candle. I think we'll get a nice retest of this one. Let's put a alarm a bit higher. I think we'll swing failure here, the flat bottom into this order block in 61.8. Pretty high probability to see something like this. And then bounce back up. Others, let's check others. This is looking like crap. But I mean, we just violated the FEG here, the weekly FEG, and we are just writing the HMA, which is pretty nice. We have a good reaction off of that. I mean, it's not necessarily a bearish structure here. I'm not necessarily calling it a bull flag, but it's a bit too much. What I don't like is that we just reclaimed back back below this pivot high here. We'll see. Until then, it's a range because we reclaimed underneath this one. So most likely the price will reject once again here. And that's an alarm to sell uh, your positions, your longs, take profits from the longs. All right. Do I have anything on Discord? I don't think so. No, it's pretty chill. I think everyone is in this live. It's pretty crazy. I mean, we have 70, we had even 80 people here, and I'm pretty happy with that. Really happy. Thank you guys. Let's see if I get my big week. Nick the big week. Big week, Nick. Let's see. I want a big week to the downside. Like big one. Wow, this candle body, man, it's ugly. Ugly. 50 minutes. Look at the selling pressure. Let me check. Ew. Yeah. Coinbase has sold a big stack here. So pretty ugly. But we can still get our internal liquidity range in this area. Let's get some requests, guys. What do you want me to be looking at? What do you want me to look at? Bitcoin, 30 minutes. Someone mentioned the VWAP. Let's check VWAP. Well, this one took it exactly like resistance. If we look at it, pretty nasty. And then let's check this one. Pretty far away. Yeah, pivot low here. Yeah, that one falls exactly where I'm looking for, so definitely. It's something that you can look at. Not a bad problem, not a problem here. It's a good area. More confidence is better. All right. What would you do with both holdings that are down 50% or more? Do you think that it will get break even by? I don't think it will get break even. I think you can do the 2x to 3x at least on them. Just have patience. eGold AP3 message sent on Discord. Uh, I don't try to send me a message now because I don't find any message on Discord that I didn't answered. All right, let's go to AP3. AP3. Well, I mean, everything is looking the same, guys. Just we need to stay above this level. It's pretty important. Everything is looking the same. We either swing failure, the lowest low, or major pivot low, or um, or we go lower. We have to hold these areas. Yeah, it's pretty important to hold above them. Same stuff on eGold here. This data at 20, pretty nice one. Man, I just remember some DMs from some people that were telling me around here that they are in good profits and they have the liquidation at 21. Yeah. I wonder if they took profits around here, because otherwise they would be in deep pain. Oh, Monday high swept on everything across the board, man. BKN, and this sell-off, it's pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. And what I don't like, it's actually that we fall below this pivot low here. I don't like that. And also looking at this channel, we just displaced it. So I think it wants deeper pullback until it finds demand. And if we are looking at the areas for demand, this would be the first area definitely. And then we can even look for this one. So it depends a lot on the price action, but lower. I have a position. Am I safe? Guys, you're not safe in these markets, trust me. You're never safe. 81 bucks? You longed it, or I got a position at 81. Am I safe? Well, make it safe. Take some partials. In this market, you're never safe. Your stop loss will be hunted. But technically speaking, I mean, if you are risk-free, you should be safe around here, 81. It's not a good approach to be thinking that am I safe or not. But yeah, it's looking good. Actually, as I mentioned earlier, all the market structures are looking about the same. About the same. So I don't see major differences between the charts that I'm seeing right now. All right. Let's see here. Maybe we can get a scalp long on Bitcoin. No. I want deeper pullback. I want deeper one, something like this. Yeah, all the charts are pretty much the same. Pretty much the same. Pepe. Pepe has a good setup on daily here, which we didn't took yet. So I do think that altcoins will go for the Monday low. So I really like the setup on Pepe. I like this one. The swing failure of this pivot low. So most likely, majority of altcoins, they will go for a Monday low. Yeah. Let me post some of them on VIP because I will totally forget about them. And 1 second. Neiro, man, those crap coins are going to zero. Just my 2 cents. They are cabaled by the majority of owners, and you might know what I'm speaking about. I don't even want to touch those ones. Only maybe to short. They are good opportunities to short, but I don't think you want to be holding coins like Neiro, like Popcat and stuff like that. No, they just go for the launching price. I mean, here and Neiro will go here at 0.029. Neiro. That's where they are going. Everything is going to the launching price. Yeah, Popcat, even Popcat is going to the launching price at 1. You suppose that because you were sold that idea, Bash. That's why you suppose it. Yeah. Because you are fed with that idea and you are listening to the people that are manipulating you in order to make money on your back. But no, they are going way, way, way lower. Yeah, way lower. So don't fall for that crap. Tau, we have a pretty nice candle here on Tau. We swept this equal lows into this daily FEG, which I was looking at. Most likely, I mean, here was the big demand area. Most likely the bottom is around here to 26 to 260 to 340. But I'd be looking for the same stuff here. Yeah, swing failure of this pivot low at $300. That's a pretty good area. But we need some time before the market will start to rally. I mean, we had a pretty nasty dump, and it's not just going to uh, start pumping all of a sudden. It's not working like that. We need a reaccumulation phase. We need a demand to be start getting back in the markets. We need money to be coming in the market. So that might take some time. Yeah, I'll be looking at Sei and Sui. But everything is looking the same. I'm not that bullish anymore on Sui. I mean, Sui, it's pretty much done here. We have a 3 drives, most likely uncompleted 1, 2, 3. Or you can take this one, and this one. And this is a local top. Here was a local top. I mentioned that on Twitter and on Discord. I think Sui will be going essentially for 1.6 bucks. Around here, I think is the area where it's a fair price to buy Sui. Or even the neckline here of this W at 2. And I'm really glad that it's dumping that aggressively because you don't want to be spending that much time. Then it will be looking like Kaspa, that it's consolidating for a few years, which is absolutely this coin was caballed by the influencers. I mean, they fed you with the idea that Kaspa is the new, I don't know, everything is the new. When you hear that something is the new, most likely you want to run from that thing. Yeah. When you hear that Neiro is the new Doge, well, short Neiro or don't touch Neiro. Yeah. When you hear that Kaspa is the killer of something, well, don't hold it. And most of the people, if you watch them, they shield it here at the top, so you can become the exit liquidity. And I have a post on Kaspa from here, if you guys remember, from around this area. I had a short since August, September, and I said that this one will dump. You can see I have the blue lines. If you go on my Twitter and look for Kaspa, you will see that I have these blue lines that had to be filled. And people said, man, are you implying like a 80% dump or 50, 60? Yes, I'm implying a 80 to 60% dump. And there you go, you have the dump. Well, try to avoid those kind of coins where an influencer is putting the monopole on it. Because most likely he uses you like an exit liquidity. All right. And I spoke about Sui. Let's go Sei. I like Sei. I mean, if we look here, we can see we swing failure the liquidity into this weekly fair value gap. And that's pretty good. I think it will find the bottom around here. It should find the bottom. Same stuff with fog. Same stuff with fog. It will most likely go to this area at 0.18. I know it's shielded massively, and I know by who. Big influencers. These coins will end up where they launched from. So stop looking at those big guys that told you to buy it here, that told you to buy it here, told you to buy it here and here. Same stuff with Injective. I really started disliking Injective. In the second that, and you can see where I have my limit orders, I was just filled on Injective. In the second that you see it shield here, here, and here, guys, I saw it shield massively. We're at 44 bucks, and that dude was saying that 75 is the next one. They need exit liquidity, and you become exit liquidity. And pretty much, I really started not liking Injective anymore. Only if I get my discounts, I will like it. And I'm getting my discounts here. I'm getting my first discount. I have one at five bucks. They need exit liquidity. They need you to buy in order for them to same stuff with Bonk. This one is going way lower, guys. I mean, we have a nice swing failure around here, but it's not showing any sign of reversal. Yes, they are scammers. They are making lots of money on the back of the people that are buying their shitcoins. CRV. Well, CRV, it's a good one. I made really good money on CRV, but now I needed to come back home. I had it, we bought it around here. Up more, yeah. Let's see if I get my dump and quick reclaim, then I can see some demand forming. Otherwise, it's going way lower. I need to see a quick dump and then reclaim. So CRV, you want buying areas for CRV? Well, that would be the first one. And we already tapped it. And I would be looking forward this one or this one. So 33, I think it's a fair price for CRV. Ethereum is trying to find some local support here, but I don't think it's too relevant. 47 is too high. 47. You want below 40. So I'm enforcing that idea. When you see someone shilling continuously, like NPC, I know someone shilling NPC starting 57 cents around here and here. Why do you think they were shilling NPC all the way up? And now look at it, it's 1.5, and we even should go a little bit lower around here. Why do you think that? Stop being exit liquidity, guys. Learn how this game is played. They want money, they want your money, and they will get your money because you buying high, it's them selling high, and you're pumping the price for them. Let's check render. Yeah, Albert, yeah. Well, render, nice swing failure here in this pivot low. A really good reaction, and it's holding better than the other ones. I like it. I like it. I would be interested in this week around here to see how market reacts around here at 4.26. And then I will be looking at a 4 at this level. Or even this flat bottom candle at 3.91. That looks good. Yeah, Pash. Yeah. I like the swing failure here of this weekly FEG. I really like it. I really, really like it. It just came back home. I really like it. And thank you that you remembered me about render because I need to buy some of this. I mean, below $4 render, it's a really good one. Or even, I mean, I don't want to see this low swing candle body close below. Let's see monthly. We just violated the monthly fair value gap, and I don't want to see it here, but it can be. AR on the monthly, weekly, we still have lots of liquidity here, so I think AR is going a little bit lower. We need to solve this liquidity here, so I would be looking for this, which is below $8. You can put some spread orders, DCA orders, something like that, below $8. Man, 47 likes and 80 people live. Guys, let's pass those 50 likes at least. And then we take more requests. 50 likes. Let's get them. And I'm making a coffee until then. Let's make a coffee. Bitcoin short here. How can you short here when I said that I'm short from here, that I posted the VIP on plan? How can you short here? Guys, if you don't know trading, or I mean, I'm not saying necessarily you or X or Y or anyone, but you cannot short here. You want to short premium and buy discount. Yeah. Even in a range, if you're looking at it, you want to short the top and long the bottom. Yeah, you get the idea, I think so. Hope so. All right, man. Near, let's check near. Well, near, I got my first fill here, and I got one more fill here at the blue line. Seems like we tapped exactly the blue line, so you have already my chart. You have my chart, you can look at it. The analysis is already done on near. E-gold. Haven't I mentioned about e-gold? I had some fills here at 21. Well, we have 55 likes. That's good. That's good. Aave is pretty strong. I like Aave. It's holding really nicely, and I have a limit order here at 168. I think I was speaking with you, Albert, about this one. I really like that level of 168 on Aave. Aave is not a potential 10x, just my 2 cents, but has a potential of 5x at least. I mean, it's one of the coins that can do a new all-time high here. 3x, 5x easily. Same with AVAX. AVAX is backed by Arena, and it's looking pretty nice. Monthly. Yeah, so we should be holding above this swing failure low. This was a good entry here at 22. Aave, yeah, it's conservative, but it's pretty safe. It's pretty safe. Same like AVAX. Near it's a bit riskier, but I don't know the devs on Near what they're doing, but because lately they succumbed, they're not doing anything anymore. Uh, where to learn how to trade? Well, the only place that comes to my mind, I mean, there are many, but I do not know about their quality. But here on our community, we have a trading school which is named Capua, same like the gladiators on the old times, where we are actually teaching people how to trade. If you are a beginner, I recommend Capua 1 because you need to know how to draw Fibonacci, how to read a chart, how to look at the chart, how to look at the time frames, how to make a plan, and stuff like that. I don't recommend you to join Capua 2. And then if you already are a good swing trader, I recommend you to get into Capua 2, where I'm the teacher. And I will teach you how to scalp, how to do exactly what I'm doing on a daily basis, how to plan your areas for trades, and how to execute accordingly. But we are not, I mean, we are not taking too many people, and I really don't want too many people, and I really want serious ones. We don't need 100 people and 50% of them or 80% of them to be of a quality that it's not necessarily suited for a trader. We look for serious people who are acting really professional and they have a clear mindset of a person that really wants to make it to win. So it's a bit more difficult. ZK, I have two fields on ZK at 1 and 95. These fields, they are posted on VIP for swing trades. If you go on VIP, guys, I mentioned it many times. I have about 80 altcoins. Let's check ZK. And look at this. I mean, I posted these fields. One second. I posted these fields 11 5th. Man, when is this? Dude, is this in April or? That's crazy. All right. So I mentioned about these two levels. I don't see them. One second. Many, many months ago. I don't even know when is that. Yeah, 1038 and 95. And we got our fills. After, I think after, it was in November. Few months, 3 months. Nice. That's why I'm saying a lot of people from VIP, they don't take the channels one by one. And there's so much valuable stuff over there, but you have to give it some time. So we have some fields. eGold is dead. No one said that eGold is dead. But the team I saw, they are taking their attention to a different coins. They want to launch a new project because they drained all the money from eGold. Now they want to uh, create a new opportunity, to put it like that. Yeah, they played all the sides of the card with eGold, and now they need new opportunities. 1K on Aave, yeah, it's doable. It's doable, definitely it's doable. 58 likes. Let's get 60 likes, guys. We can do that. Will dump most likely. I mean, I can see this one happening here. So don't try to long anything around this area. I invested in eGold at 18 to 22. I said earlier that I bought eGold. I really don't. I really like this discount here at the weekly fair value gap. You can see it here. This was a really nice level, 20 bucks. And I do think that this one can get at least, you get easily your sell half on a double at 40, 50. And then, I don't know, we'll see how high it can get. I'm not really interested in predicting how high a coin can get. I'm not interested in that. Right now, my focus is to buy good levels. That's my main focus. My 2 cents, those coins, Jade, they will go to zero. But my not to zero, they will go to the listing price. They will go to the listing price uh, because I'm not implying that they will go to zero, right? But if you go on a deck screener and you check Fog, Bonk, and Neiro, you will see that these coins, they are 100 million X from the launching price. And on exchange is not the real price. Just go on deck screener and see where it launched. Man, here they will go way lower than you have these charts. Keep that in mind. So these coins, they will go easily at the bottom of the launching price on Binance, easily. So Bonk will easily go here to 93, so way lower and stuff like that. And I'm really not that bullish on this kind of coins. They had their 5 minutes. You have to keep that in mind. They pumped like, I don't know, 10,000 X or stuff like that. They are played already. What do you want on these coins? They are already played. Like they made insane amounts of returns. Just my 2 cents. That's my idea. And I don't see an opportunity on them anymore. Let's check Dione. Dione, well, I have this one posted on VIP. We got our fields. First is 27, next one it's 178. We have a perfect field here, and then it's 1. The small bounce you can have on absolutely anything, Jade. I feel like you are stuck with your portfolio in those shitcoins, the way you give them importance. I've seen that. Yeah, well, I can easily see that. QTM, yeah. Well, yeah, this one it's ranging forever until it will not range anymore and it will pull a big candle. Ranging forever. Yeah, I'm not interested in this one. If you manage to buy here at range low 2.2, you can actually make a risk-free position at 4.9, at 5, and you're good. But other than that, no. Come on, dump it. I want my potential swing long here. I mean, this bull market, which will be coming, it will be coming, but you have to be a little bit more picky with your bags and use some diversification. Because I know, I mean, I had a DM few weeks ago, when we had the Trump money, and he said he put all the USDC in Trump, and he was in good profits because he wanted to make a subscription for Capo, I think, or VIP, I can't remember well. And he said he has all the money in Trump and he's in good profits, but he's waiting to take some partials. And guess what? He didn't took any partial. Yeah. And he's riding all his money are in Trump, and he's asking me daily that will Trump have a relief? No, Trump most likely will go back to the at least a 78.6 to the listing price. I don't know. I have to go on Dex Screener to check where the Trump coin got listed. Let me change the screen and go a little bit on Dex Screener. I mean, a lot of majority they forget the fact that a coin got listed um, on Dex yeah, you get the idea, pop fun or where they are listed, and they don't know that on Dex Screener they went way lower. I mean, it launched at 0.12, so 12 cents, and the price went to $75. I can see at least 10 to $5 retested on Trump, at least. So hopefully you get the idea. Yeah, thank you, Juan. XRP Ondo. XRP, we discussed about it earlier already. I have a plan on scalp longing here. XRP. Yeah, it will bounce. Definitely it will bounce once more. We have a nice structure Ondo. Ondo is looking really, really, really good. And we actually retested this neckline. We front run a little bit here, this S&R. But it's looking really nice Ondo. And it's holding the structure. Range low here is holding pretty nicely. If you manage to buy around here at 1, it's pretty good. I like Ondo. It's holding nicely. You can see actually it tapped perfectly 61.8 and bounced from this area. I like it. Good reaction. Nice reaction there. Man, we are already into 1 hour, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. I'll be taking a few more requests. Guys, let's push a little bit on the last 100 meters. Let's hit that, smash that like button if you haven't. And I'm really happy that today we had really good activity. And I will do a little wrap up of what I'm expecting from the price today. We have sort of a 3-bar fractal here. I'm not really interested in taking it, but I mean, we can reject from this 30 minutes FEG. No, I'm not going to take all of those requests, Matteo. Choose one. Aptos. APT. Yeah. Well, Aptos, we have a potential 3 tap here. You can see it. Which I like it. So it's usually it's a good bottom formation on Aptos. I like it. So it's a buy opportunity around here, $5. I really like it. Let's check media. Well, same stuff. Swing failure, the low here, it should hold above in order to confirm the range lows and go higher. Fart coin, send it to 0. Same stuff. It's a Cabal coin, which will eventually go way lower. I see this one going to easily to 16 cents. So 80% lower, most likely it will happen. It will dump way lower, altcoin. Well, I have a feel because I had a limit order here on the swing failure of this pivot low. I like it. Well, this one left some equal lows here, so most likely it'll do another deep dive and then reclaim and go higher. I did it already, Arjun. I said that I like it, and that is looking good. Okay. I'll take a look into Chetos too. Uh, ooh, wait 1 second. I think I need to lower. All right. So, people who are interested in trading with us, you have here the website. So here you have all the information about VIP, Premium, Capua, and Capua 2. Uh, we are not an unusual community. We are kicking people on a daily basis, not interested in being a lot of people in the community. We are more interested in having quality people over quantity. So if you really want to trade and you really want to learn, you can join our community. Stay on the free side on general chat and take as much content and quality from it as possible because there's a lot of things posted, a lot of things. Just take it slowly, level by level, and then you can make yourself an opinion about if you want to be part of the community or not. If you really want to trade, to learn how to trade, then you have Capua 1, which is intermediate, beginner, intermediate level, and then you have Capua 2, which is professional area where you're getting into scalping. Here you're getting into swing trading and some intraday trading. You learn how to frame the setups, how to frame trades, and stuff like that. And here you'll get into how to do this on a daily basis and actually make a living out of trading. VIP is the corner where I'm trading, and it's open. Tomorrow we will close it. I think we have 9 more spots. So if you want to join, just DM me and we can see if you fit. And premium is the general part where Paul it's live daily at the New York. I'm there too at the New York trading session, and you get a share, you get a part to all the plans, all the trading plans like DeFi. We have the Hand of Midas show, which I absolutely love. That one was insanely profitable. And then you have the investment plans and the swing trades. You have some S&P and Forex trades there too, posted by our gladiators. And man, it's really a really, really, really nice place to be. For the Capua 1 and 2, we are already starting. So I don't know, I think it's the late, I think only 1 or 2 spots because we are starting in 2 days. No, one day, tomorrow. So this is the late registration. Tomorrow we are starting it already. So it's like the last call out because the next program, I don't know when it will be, but maybe summer or next year. I really have no idea. But we are starting. Uh, Getting back to our horses, let's wrap it up a little bit. I'm looking to scalp short a swing failure of Monday high here in the 103, 102. Then potential scalp long here if we get a more aggressive pullback and then reclaim. I will long this one TP around here. I posted a short plan. We are already short here. We are already short on Bitcoin. I'm planning to long scalp 94 area. Same stuff on Ethereum here. I'm really interested in 2.4, 2,400. I'm not interested in doing absolutely anything here. Too high, too fast. I need to see New York session, how it develops in order to have a better glimpse of what the market wants to do. I have lots of setups on altcoins. I was looking at Doge, Solana here, kind of same setup. So don't risk more um, on more setups because basically you'll have one big trade in the same direction. So you have to be picky and see which one is looking the best on that specific moment. Same stuff here with Tao. You get the idea. Um, Yeah, that would be it. That would be it. It was a really, really, really nice trading session. I don't presume anything that involves price prediction, Dennis. I don't care where altcoins will be in 2-3 weeks from here. I care about how I will execute my plan today. Yeah, I really don't care what will happen in 3 weeks from now. I'm here to make money on a daily basis, and that means that I need to play my plans level by level. It's absolutely useless for me to predict where the price will go in 3 weeks from now. And I really don't know where it will go. And I'm not interested in, yeah, as a back holder, I have lots of spot investments, and I'm not interested in knowing where it will go. My spot bag is there for 4 years from now. So I have patience and I'm following my plan. That would be it. If you want to join Discord, um, just join. You have the link in the description and join Discord. By the way, don't forget to get verified. A lot of people are joining Discord and they are not getting verified. If you joined and then you're leaving, you will get banned. And a lot of people are saying, oh, well, I cannot join Discord. Your link it's expired. No, it's not expired. You joined, you got verified, and you left. That means ban. And not too many occasions when I saw people getting unbanned. So if you join, stay there, get verified. If you leave, you'll get banned. We are trying to make a difference in this space, and it's not all right to have 100 Discord groups and treat them with low importance. No, we are really trying to make a difference, and we have absolutely everything from DeFi to meme coins to absolutely everything. All right, that I will wrap it up here. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you in the New York session, which will be in 4 hours from now. Bye bye.